Assalamu alaikum and welcome. You're watching Real English News along with your host Sharif Ikram Yaman. Let's have a look on today's top headlines. KCR visits Lakshmi Narasimha Swami Temple in Kesara. Telangana CS Rajesh Sharma meets World Bank officials. Free Wi-Fi from today in 10 kilometers radius of Hussain Sagar. Cylinder blast in Medak district too critical. Rahul Gandhi back after 557 days substantial that included Vipassana. Telangana Chief Minister, that is K. Chandrasekhar Rao, has visited Lakshmi Narasimha Swami Temple in Kesara, Manjal of Ragara district on Thursday. He has offered silk cloths to the Gaur at Temple, which is situated in Chitayala village of the Kesara Mantal. KCR has also performed special puja on the occasion. He has inaugurated the Swagat Dharma and waiting hall for the devotees. As a part of Telangana government strategies and plans, Telangana, that is Chief Secretary Rajiv Sharma, Secretary meet the officials of World Bank. The Chief Secretary has presented a PowerPoint on various schemes and projects that Telangana government has been undertaking and also highlighted other welfare measures that are supposed to be carried out. It is learned that World Bank officials have extended support to Telangana government over water project and other projects. The bank officials have reportedly told on simplifications of various loans offered by them. To make Hyderabad as a city first time enabled, that is Wi-Fi enabled city in the country, government has taken initiated step towards it. The government has planned to enable free Wi-Fi service in 10-kilometer radius of one of the famous tourist places in the city, that is Hussain Sagar. Free Wi-Fi service at a city will be available from today itself. Telangana IT Minister, that is Taraka Rama Rao, is going to launch the project on 16th of April, that is today. He did at 5:15 p.m. It started from Hotel Marriott. KTR would launch the project by making a first video call to Union Telecom Minister, that is Ravi Shankar Prasad. People can utilize free Wi-Fi service for half an kilometer, that is 10-kilometer radius Hussain Sagar areas such as Naklis Road, Tangband, Lumdi Park and surrounding places. Tourists can enjoy this free service with a speed of 2 Mbps to 20 Mbps. That is Ministers KT Rama Rao has arranged a review meeting with BSNL and Quad general officials. The official explained that free Wi-Fi service at Hussain Sagar can be used by 1,800 to 2,500 people at a time for half an hour. After 30 minutes, users have to pay for services. Citizens should be provided quality service and all measures should be taken to ensure it. Initiated measure to provide free Wi-Fi service completely at a city, says Rama Rao as a BSNL official. Then the official replied that service can be expanded to entire city by laying about 4,800 kilometers fiber net. As per media report, the government has already tied up with a major private telecom operator, that is Airtel, to launch the service at 17 public Wi-Fi hotspots in the city.
I'd really like to appreciate. I really appreciate you taking the time out and inaugurating this program, sir. I also wanted to come formally invite you, but nevertheless, since we've inaugurated right now, I also wanted to invite you to Hyderabad to launch our biggest incubating facility, sir. It's called the T-Hub. We would like you to come inaugurate it on the 1st of June, sir, and I'll come see you formally and extend a personal invitation as well. But since we are doing this for the first time, I also wanted to invite you through this facility, sir. Once again, thank you so much. I'll come invite you again. I'll meet you in person in Delhi and invite you again, sir. Really appreciate it.
Thank you, thank you, thank you.
Ex-Telangana Congress MP, that is Punnamma Prabhakar, on Thursday has attended the Suryapet court in Nalgonda district related with the defamation case filed against him. The court has, after hearing the development of the case, posted the next hearing to June 3. Earlier, Punnamma Prabhakar has alleged that Telangana Education Minister Jagdish Reddy was involved in corrupt activities with a reference to the commission issue linked with the fee reimbursement of Telangana students. The minister had rejected the allegation and filed a defamation case against Punnamma Prabhakar on February 26.
మేము ఆరోపణ చేస్తే లేదా లోకాయుక్తకు ఫిర్యాదు చేస్తే అక్కడ నివేదికలు కూడా ప్రభుత్వ అధికారులు ఇవ్వకుండా మంత్రివర్గంలో ఉంటూ కూడా బెదిరిస్తూ న్యాయస్థానంలో తప్పకుండా న్యాయపరంగా ఆయన వేసిన పిటిషన్ ఎదుర్కొంటూ.
According to the sources, on noticing the leak in the gas pipe, wife Madhavi lighted stove in morning, which resulted in an explosion of a cylinder. It is learned that both husband and wife were said to be critical, while the children were seriously injured. Rahul Gandhi today returned to Delhi after a 57-day sabbatical, which includes a course of Vipassana or meditation to include calm. The Congress Vice President came up on a flight from Bangkok and was on welcome home by his mother and a party president Sonia Gandhi and sister Priyanka. Media team outside his bungalow in the lefty, that is Tukhalkek Lane, got a fleeting glimpse of the 44-year-old in his car. Congress workers burst firecrackers, their celebration contrasting with the torrent of sarcasm on social media, where Rahul Gandhi returns become a top trend. Rahul Gandhi has missed much activity in political charge season. That is leaving his party to defeat a leave of absence that has been extended several times, especially at a time the Congress has tried the rally to oppose forces against Prime Minister Modi's policies. The party has not clarified where Mr. Gandhi spent his holiday. The Congress has said that its number two leaders wanted time off for introspection. Denied report that he left over differences with his mother over running the party. The Congress must tell the nation where Rahul Gandhi was. BJP Sambhita Patra calling him a part-time politician, that is under renewed media glare. Rahul Gandhi has big challenges ahead. He has to prepare his party for swearing out state polls this year and the next. On Sunday, Rahul Gandhi will address a massive farmers' rally against the government proposed law to make it easier to acquire land for industrial and key infrastructure projects. Pakistan firing news: 3 people, including 2 women of the same family, were killed on Thursday in fighting near the Pakistan-Afghanistan border. Sources said that an unidentified gunman opened fire at a vehicle in Balochistan, Zob district of Down. Online report: the family was going from Sambaza to Gulkoch when they were fired upon near the border. Let's have a look on today's sports news. Sourav Ganguly keeps mum on India's coach job. Former skipper Sourav Ganguly on Thursday preferred to remain tight-lipped on whether he is a possible contender for next coach of the Indian cricket team, saying, "Let's not speculate." Hawke's Bay Cup, that is New Zealand defeats India's women hockey team by 4-1. Hastings, New Zealand, that is India's women hockey team, lost 1-4 to host New Zealand to crash out in TIFI quarterfinals of the Hawke's Bay Cup here on Thursday. No move to bar, that is Mary Kom, from Olympic trials for missing. National Camp Boxing India. Rubbishing report that Olympic bronze medal, that is MC Mary Kom, could be barred from the trials for Olympic quarterfinals. Boxing India on Thursday said the veteran is not under any compulsion to attend the national camp and has been granted permission to train individually. Wawrinka thrashed by Dimitra at Monte Carlo. Defending champion, that is Stanislav Wawrinka, suffered an ugly third round beating at the hands of Bulgarian Grigor Dimitrov at the Monte Carlo Masters on Thursday. Pupil Morinta aims to halt Master Van Gaal again when Jose Mourinho jumped to belicate Luis Van Gaal's defense in February, sympathizing that he should be given time to get used to English football. And he might have been surprised at just how quickly his mentor has since adapted. Let's have a look on today's stock market. Sensex for today stand with 28,666.04 with a minus 0.46%. Whereas Nifty for today stand with 8,706.70 with a decline of minus 0.50%. Let's have a look on today's gold and silver rates as per Malabar Golds. According to Malabar Golds, today's gold rates and silver rates are as follows. 16th March, that is for 22 carats of gold for 10 grams rupees 25,600. Whereas for 24 carats of gold for 10 grams rupees 27,007. Silver rates for today for 10 grams rupees 400. Let's have a look on today's weather forecast of 6 regions of Telangana state. Hyderabad minimum temperature 21 degrees Celsius and maximum 31 degrees Celsius. Karimnagar minimum temperature 22 degrees Celsius and maximum 32 degrees Celsius. Warangal minimum temperature 22 degrees Celsius and maximum 32 degrees Celsius. Nizamabad minimum temperature 21 degrees Celsius and maximum 28 degrees Celsius. Mehboob minimum temperature 21 degrees Celsius and maximum 30 degrees Celsius. Medak minimum temperature 22 degrees Celsius and maximum 29 degrees Celsius. Headlines once again. KCR visits Lakshmi Narasimha Swami Temple in Kesara. Telangana CS Rajesh Sharma meets World Bank officials. Free Wi-Fi from today in 10 kilometers radius of Hussain Sagar. Cylinder blast in Medak district too critical. Rahul Gandhi back after 557 days substantial that included Vipassana. That's all in the newscast for today. Keep watching Real English News and this is your host Ikram Yamani. Sign off for the day. Till then, take care. Allah Hafiz.